Okay, good morning, students. Today we will see the remaining part of the reasoning paper. See question number 71. See question number 71. Pointing to a photograph, Diana said, "His son is the only nephew of my father's only daughter." So, first you write down Diana. Diana, father. Diana, father, only daughter. His son. His son, pointing to a photograph, Diana said, his son. The person in the photo, that person's son, is the only nephew, of my father's only daughter, of my father's only daughter, of my father's only daughter, of my father's only daughter. So, definitely it is mentioned as his son, the person in the photo, that person's son. So he is the brother of Diana, and Diana has only one sibling and nephew of my father's only daughter. Diana's father is having only one daughter, that daughter is Diana itself. How is Diana related to that photograph? Diana is the sister. Diana is the sister of that person. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. See the next question. So here we are given with puzzle. Study the following information carefully to answer the question. Tejashwini, Sushil, Sanjita, Seema, then Hina, Babita, Navajit and Apurvi were among those athletes who performed good in Commonwealth Games 2018 and grabbed medals for India. There are 3 shooting players, 2 wrestling, 2 discus throw, 1 weightlifting. Sanjita plays weightlifting and grabs the Sanjita plays weightlifting. Sanjita plays weightlifting and grabs the gold medal with the person who plays shooting. Navajit, who plays discus throw, grab bronze medal with only one other person who likes shooting. The athlete who plays same game does not receive the same category of medal. For example, if one playing shooting win gold, then second shooting player will silver, third will bronze. So like that. That means even though there are 3 medals, gold, silver, bronze. For example, if already in shooting, if gold medal is already went for one person, so another gold medal will go for another category, not for shooting. It will go for different category. Now, Apurvi won bronze, but Hina did not win gold. Only 3 athletes won the gold medal. Sushil neither plays shooting nor the silver medal. Seema plays discus throw. Babita does not play shooting. Now, this puzzle we are having. Now, based on this, we should answer the question. Based on this, we should answer the question. Now, you draw one 3-column table. One is the player. Other one is the game, other one is the medal. Player, game, medal. Player, game, then we are having medal. Player, game, medal. Now below the players, you write down the names of players. So what are the names of players? What is the name of first player? Tejashwini. Next one, Sushil. Next one, Sanjita. Next one, Seema. Next one, Hina. Next, Babita. Next, Navajit. Next, Apurvi. So we are having these different players. Tejashwini is there, Sushil is there, Sanjita, Seema, Hina, Babita, then Navajit, then Apurvi. So these are the names of the players. Now we should answer the questions. Now see this one. Here there are two wrestling players. 2 wrestling are there. 2 discus throw. 2 discus throw is there. 1 weightlifting, 3 shooting. 3 shooting players are there. So shooting 3, 2 wrestling, 2 discus throw, 1 weightlifting. So we are having these categories. So 3 shooting, 2 wrestling, 2 discus throw, 1 weightlifting. Now see here. Sanjita plays weightlifting. Sanjita is playing weightlifting. Sanjita is weightlifting. Sanjita weightlifting. And grabs gold medal. She is grabbing gold medal. Sanjita weightlifting gold medal. With the person who likes shooting. That means shooting, one player will be there. He will be getting gold medal. Shooting, one player will be there. We don't know who is the player, but that player is getting which medal? Gold medal. But that player is getting gold medal. So that is the first point. Then Navajit plays discus throw. Navajit is this fellow. Discus throw. Navajit is playing discus throw and grabs bronze medal. He is grabbing bronze medal with only one other person who plays shooting. That means bronze will come for only two persons. Bronze will come for only two persons. One person is Navajit who play discus throw. Other person is the one who plays shooting. That we don't know. We will see later. So bronze will come only for two persons. That you remember. Next. Seema plays discus throw. Seema plays discus throw game. Seema is playing discus throw. So discus throw, two players should come. Already Navajit is there, Seema. So discus throw is over. Two players should come. Weightlifting, one player should come. Already that one fellow is Sanjit. So the remaining, all the other persons will get either shooting or wrestling. The remaining persons will get either shooting or wrestling. We should get 3 shooting and 2 wrestling. Totally 5 members. We are having gap also 5 members. Now, Babita does not play shooting. If Babita does not play shooting, Babita plays wrestling. Babita plays wrestling. Babita is playing wrestling. Babita is playing wrestling. Babita does not play shooting means Babita plays wrestling. Sushil neither plays shooting. Sushil is not playing shooting means Sushil is also wrestling. Sushil is also wrestling. The remaining 3 persons, since shooting 3 persons should come, Tejaswini shooting, Heena shooting, then Apurvi is also shooting. So with this we completed the games. Now Sushil neither plays shooting nor won the silver medal. Sushil is not winning the silver medal. Sushil is not winning the silver. Since bronze will come for only 2 persons, I already told bronze will come for only 2 persons. One is discus throw, other one is shooting. So bronze also won't come. Bronze also won't come. That means Sushil will win gold medal. Sushil will win gold medal. Sushil will win gold medal. We should get 3 3 gold medals should be there. 3 gold medals. So one wrestling, one weightlifting, other should be shooting. Then Apurvi won bronze. Apurvi won bronze. Apurvi is winning bronze. Apurvi is winning bronze. So Apurvi is winning bronze. Apurvi is winning bronze. Heena did not win gold. Heena did not win gold. So Heena did not win gold. Heena is shooting. Heena did not win gold. But one shooting person should win gold. So Tejaswini will win gold. Tejaswini will win gold. So for shooting there are 3 categories. Shooting 3 persons are there. One gold came, one bronze came, other one silver will come. So Heena will get silver medal. Heena will get a silver medal. Now already wrestling 2 persons are there. One person is winning gold medal. Other person will not get bronze medal. He will get the silver medal. He will get the silver medal. Other person will get the silver medal. Other person will get silver medal. Since there are only 3 gold medals, only 3 athletes win gold medal and bronze will come for only 2 persons. So Seema will win the silver medal. Seema will win the silver medal. So with this we completed the puzzle. So Tejaswini shooting gold, Sushil wrestling gold, Sanjita weightlifting gold, Seema discus throw silver, Heena shooting silver, Babita wrestling silver, Navajit discus throw bronze, Apurvi shooting branch. Now based on this, we should answer the question. Now keeping in view of this puzzle, we should answer the question. See the first question, all of you. See the first question. See the first question. Find the correct combination. Find the correct combination of game and medal for Tejaswini. So game and medal for Tejaswini. Tejaswini, the game is shooting and gold. Gold shooting is the correct answer. Gold shooting. Fourth. Who is winning the silver medal among the following persons? So here Hina is winning the silver medal. Hina is winning the silver medal. Next question. Which of the following game is played by Babita? Babita is playing which game? Wrestling. Babita is playing wrestling. See the next one. Which of the following? Who among the following played discus throw? Discus throw is played by two persons, Seema and Navajit. Seema and Navajit. Since we don't have Seema, Navajit is the correct. Next one. Who won the silver medal in shooting? Shooting silver medal. Hina. Shooting silver medal is Hina. So Hina is the correct answer. Shooting silver medal is Hina. So Hina is the correct answer. Hina is the correct answer. See the next question. 77 question. Here in the following question, a statement is given followed by three assumptions numbered 1, 2, 3. You have to read all the statements and then decide which of the assumption logically follows the mentioned statement. Here this is called as statement cum assumption. Based on the statement which is the following, which of the is the correct assumption. So what is the assumption behind the statement that we have to identify? If you are intelligent, we are the right people for improving your performance and advertisement of a coaching institute. So here one condition is mentioned. If a student is intelligent, if you are intelligent, we are the right place. That means coaching center is the right place for the improvement of your performance. So what is the assumption behind this advertisement? What can be the assumption? Brilliant students prefer to join coaching classes. So if you are intelligent means brilliant. So brilliant students always prefer to join coaching classes because not only the intelligence but also the correct planning the coaching centers will give. So brilliant students prefer to join the coaching classes. So that can be assumed. Coaching centers, coaching classes helps the students to improve their performance. So what is the main aim of the coaching classes? Why the students will go for coaching? To improve their performance. So that is also correct. No other institute provides such coaching. We here the advertisement of one institute is given, but this institute we can compare or we cannot compare, that is not mentioned in the statement. So third one is not correct. Only 1 and 2 are implicit. Only 1 and 2 are implicit. Only 1 and 2 are implicit. Option 1 is the correct answer. Only 1 and 2 are implicit. Option 1 is the correct answer. See the next question. Several labor and industrial codes in the state have no proper premises. Vacancies of the judges and stenos are kept pending. A statement of a retired judge of state X. Several labor and industrial codes in the state have no proper premises. So here the codes don't have proper premises. So the vacancies of judges and stenos are being kept in pending. Since there is no proper premises, the vacancies also remain pending. So what can be the assumption behind this statement? What can be the assumption? Adequate number of staff and judges helps in smooth functioning of industrial and labor courts. So here, what is the lacking that is mentioned? There are no courts, there are no proper premises, and since the vacancies are also kept pending. So if you have adequate staff and judges, that will help in smooth functioning. So if the staff is adequate, then we can run any organization smoothly without any problems. So which one is implicit? First one is implicit. Then second one. The state is not bothered about the condition. State means the government is not bothered about the condition of labor and industrial codes. Here labor and industrial codes, they don't have proper premises. That means the government is not taking any proper care to maintain the industrial codes. That is also we can assume. Physical facilities of an office helps in increasing the efficiency of the employees. That is definitely correct. So the physical facilities of an office, the office should be very nice, or else the office should be having minimum requirements. So if you are posted in an office, you don't have any fan and light, then your work efficiency also will be less. If you are given with good facilities, the efficiency of the employee will increase. So always the physical facilities of the office help in increasing the efficiency of his employees. That is also correct. So all 1, 2, 3 are implicit. The correct answer is all 1, 2, 3 are implicit. All 1, 2, 3 are implicit means option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Along with the puzzles, this statement come assumption, statement come conclusion, statement come course of action. So this is also very important. So you should not skip these questions because these are scoring questions. So you need not do any puzzle, you need not solve anything. Just basic logical reasoning is important. Analytical reasoning. You should understand the situation and based on the situation you should answer the question. So here analytical reasoning. So what you call the analytical reasoning. If you are there in that particular situation, what action you will take. So that is most important. So that means your way of answering the questions depends on your judgment. So how correctly you can judge the situation, that is tested in these types of questions. So these type of questions are also very important. You should never skip these type of questions. Now see the next question. 79. If the vowels of the word temptations are replaced by its succeeding letter according to the English alphabet and all the consonants are replaced with the previous letter according to the English alphabet, then all the letters are arranged in alphabetical order. Then how many letters are there between third letter from left and second letter from right in the alphabetical series? Now see this one, temptations. TEMPTATIONS. First what we have to do? All the vowels are replaced by its succeeding and all the consonants replaced by previous. If it is a vowel, next letter. If it is a consonant, previous letter. Now T, S, E becomes F, then L, then O, then S. Vowel means next letter B, again S, then again J, then P, then M, then R. Now all the letters are arranged in alphabetical order. Now we should arrange them in the alphabetical order. That is B, F, J, L, M, O, S, S, S. There are totally 3 S. Followed by P, followed by R. Then how many letters are there between third letter from left? So what is third letter from left? That is J. Then second letter from right, that is P. So how many letters are there between J and P in the English alphabetical series? In the English alphabetical series we have K, L, M, N, O. So totally how many letters are there? 5 letters are there. Totally there are 5 letters. Option 5 is the correct answer. Option 5, 5 letters is the correct answer. See the next question. See the next question. How many meaningful words can be used, can be found by using first, third, sixth, then 10th letter of the word additional? So you take the first word is A, then third word is H, then sixth word is I, then 10th, that is L. So AHIL, we will get one meaningful word, hail. Hail means praise. Hail means praise. So you are going to get only one meaningful word. If more than one meaningful word is found, your answer is K. Then if only one meaningful word, which is third letter from right. Third letter from right. What is the third letter from right? What is the Third letter from right. Third letter from right is A. So 2 is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. See the next one. 81 question. See 81 question. Here 8 boxers A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, G, F, I, K. All are sitting around a circular table for pre-match conference such that all of them are facing the center. All are facing the center. They belong to different nationalities, that is England, USA, India, Scotland, Canada, Australia, China, Japan, but not necessarily in the same order. The one who belongs to China sits third to the left of A, who belongs to Japan. C sits second to the left of F, who belongs to Australia. C is not the neighbor of A. D belongs to USA and sits third to the left of C. Then who does not belong to China? The one who belongs to India is an immediate neighbor of the one who belongs to China. B sits second to the right of the boxer who belongs to Scotland. C and I does not belong to England. The one who belongs to India sits third to the right of G. So this is the total question we are having. Now we should solve this puzzle. See. Here totally 8 boxers are there. Now what you will do, you draw one circle and you divide into 8 parts. We are dividing the circle into 8 parts. Now see the puzzle. The one who belongs to China sits third to the left of A, who belongs to Japan. Now A belongs to Japan. China is sitting third to the left of A. So third to the left of A. A left first, second, third. Here we will get China. A left is China. So China sits third to the left of A, who belongs to Japan. Now see the next one. D belongs to USA and sits third to the left of C, who does not belong to China. D is belonging to USA and sits third to the left of C, who does not belong to China. C is not the neighbor of A. You can't write C here or C here. There is a chance of writing C here. So write down C here. D belongs to USA and sits third to the left of C. So C left first, second, third. Here you write D. D is belonging to USA. Then C is sitting second to the left of F, who belongs to Australia. Now C is here. C sits second to the left of F. So F will come here. F belongs to Australia. Then the one who belongs to India is the neighbor of the one who belongs to China. Already China, one neighbor is Australia, other neighbor is India. Here we will get India. B is sitting second to the right of the one who belongs to Scotland. B is sitting second to the right of Scotland. And India is sitting third to the right of G. So here I am writing G. Now B sits second to the right of Scotland. So if I am taking G Scotland, B is sitting second to the right of Scotland. So B will come here. B will come for China. Then C and I does not belong to India. I does not belong to England. So this is not England. Also I can't write I here because I does not belong to England. So I is India. C and I does not belong to England. So I can write England here. One alphabet missing is K. So K belongs to England. Then we are getting all the 7 countries except Canada. So C, Canada. C is Canada. So this is the total puzzle. We are having. Now, A Japan, D USA, I India, B China, F Australia, G Scotland, C Canada, K England, and A Japan. Now, based on this, we should answer the question. Now, see the questions. See the questions. Who among the following faces the one who belongs to USA? Now this is USA. USA facing G, or the one who belongs to Scotland. The one who belongs to Scotland. The one who belongs to Scotland is the correct. Who belongs to England? K belongs to England. K belongs to England. So K belongs to England, that is not there. So K belongs to England. So K belongs to England. That is not there. So that is not there. So it is none of this. Now first question I missed. Who belongs to Canada? Who belongs to Canada? C. C belongs to Canada. C belongs to Canada. See the next one. Who is sitting second to the right of I? So I is here. This is I. Second to the right of I, A. Second to the right of I, A. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. See the next question. If F is related to Canada in the same way D is to China, then K is to what? F is to Canada. F one gap Canada. Then D is to China. D left one gap China. F left one gap Canada. So you have to take left one gap. K is to what? K is here. K left one gap D or USA. USA is the correct answer. USA is the correct answer. USA is the correct answer. See the next one. 86 question. Should all the students graduating in any discipline desirous of pursuing post graduation of the subjects of their choice be allowed to enroll in the postgraduate courses? Should all the students graduating in any discipline desirous of pursuing postgraduate of the subjects of their choice be enrolled? So, what is the meaning of this? Suppose if a student is doing degree max, BSc max, if you want to go for MSc science, so will the student should be allowed or not? Suppose my background is max in degree. So all of you, suppose I want to go in MSc, I have to go for mathematics. Is it correct? It is not correct. So the student should not be allowed, because until degree you have read about maths, you have learned something about maths. Science is completely new subject. If you are allowed to take science in PG, then the student will be facing lot of problems. If you don't have the basic knowledge, then you can't deal with that subject, or you can't pass in that examination. So students will face so many problems. So the correct answer for this is no. The student should not be allowed. So no is the correct answer. So first one is not correct, because it is yes, it is not correct. Second one, no, second and third is given. Out of this, the reason why we are saying no. The students need to study relevant subjects in graduate to enrolled postgraduate courses, and students must fulfill such conditions. That is correct. So whenever you are taking PG course in the relevant subject which you have studied until degree course, until UG course, then that will be beneficial to all the students. So because of that reason, the students should not be allowed. So second one is the valid reason, and second one is correct. Third one, no, there are not so many institutes offering postgraduate courses which can accommodate all graduates. That is not correct. In India, there are so many colleges. More than students, there are colleges are there. So third one is not correct. Only second one is correct. Only second one is strong. Only two is strong, we don't have. So none, not none, none is strong. None is correct answer, because only two is strong. Only two is strong is the correct answer. We don't have that option, so it is none of this. See the next question. 87 to 88. Following are the questions based on the information given below. A into B means A is the son of B. A minus B means A is the sister of B. A plus B means A is the mother of B. A divided by B means A is the brother of B. So these are the blood relations, and these blood relations, based on these 4 instructions, we should answer the question. Now based on these 4 instructions, we should answer the question. Now see the next question. In the expression R plus L minus S divided by M, how is n related to R? See here, R plus L, that means R is the mother of L, L minus S, that means L is the sister of S. Then S into M, that means S is the son of M. Already S is the son of R, now S is the son of M, that means R and M, they are wife and husband. Since R is minus, M is plus. M divided by N, M is the brother of N. Now what is our question? How is N related to R? Here in the entire thing, we don't know the sex of N. N can be either plus or minus. We don't know whether N is gent or lady. So since we don't know the sex of N, we cannot answer this question. So cannot be determined is the correct answer. Since we don't have that, we are using none. None is the correct answer. Exact correct answer is cannot be determined. See the next question. '88 question. In which of the following expression, N is the brother-in-law of C? If N is the brother-in-law of C, N should be plus. So first keep in mind N should be plus. Now I am taking the first option. N divided by D. N is the brother of D. D plus R. D is the mother of R. R divided by S. R is the brother of S. S into C. S is the son of C. That means D and C, they are wife and husband. D minus and C plus. Now N is the brother-in-law of C, we are getting by using option 1 itself. N is the brother-in-law of C, we are getting by using option 1 itself. So option 1 is the correct answer. Now see the next question, 89 question. 89 to 90. Ajay starts driving from his friend Jeet's house. He starts driving in the west direction from his house by a car. After going 15 meters, he takes a right turn from point N and continue driving for 20 meters and reaches P. From P, he takes a right turn, and after driving 30 meters, he reaches Q. From Q, he takes a left turn. Continue moving 20 meters to reach Jeet's house. In the way, Ajay stops at a shop at O, which is exactly between P and Q. Now see this question. Ajay starts driving from his friend Jeet's house. He starts driving in the west direction from his house by a car. Now this is house. Suppose this is house. Now from here he is starting driving in the west direction. West means always left side. After going 15 meters, that means this is 15 meters. After going 15 meters, this is 15. He takes a right turn. West facing person taking a right turn means moving to the north. Now move to the north. And from N he is taking north and continue driving for 20 meters. Now he is continuing driving for 20 meters to reach P. Now he reached P. From P he takes a right turn. From P he is taking a right turn and drives 30 meters. Now he is driving how many meters? 30 meters. This is totally 30 meters. This is 30 meters. To reach Q, this is point Q. From Q, he takes a left turn. Now east facing person. So takes a left turn means move to the north only. Left means move to the north. walks 20 meters, walks 20 meters to reach Jeet house. This is Jeet house, this is Ajit house, Ajay house. Now to reach Jeet house, in the way he stops at point O, which is exactly between P and Q. So exactly between P and Q we are having O, that means P to O, sorry, O. So P to O, that will be 15. So here if you take O, this is 15, this one will be 15. So totally 30. Now this is the total puzzle we are having. Now based on this puzzle we should answer the question. Now based on this puzzle we should answer the question. Now see the next question. Find the shortest distance between Jeet house and point O. So this is Jeet house, this is Jeet house, and this is O, this is O. Find the shortest distance between these two. So we have to find the distance between this one and this one. So this is Jeet house and this is O. So we have to find the distance. This will be 15, this is 20. So root of 15 square plus 20 square. So root of 225 plus 400, root 625, that will be equal to 25. 25 is the correct. 25 is the correct answer. See the next question. Jeet house in which direction with respect to Ajay house? Jeet house is in which direction with respect to Ajay house? This is Ajay house, this is Jeet house. So Jeet house is in which direction with respect to Ajay house? It is in the north and it is to the right side, so that is called as northeast. Northeast is the correct answer. 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 So with this we concluded the reasoning part of paper number 4. So next class we will see the quant section of the other paper.